Hello, 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 hello.
New aroma, new taste of freshly brewed coffee. New Nescafe Blend and Brew.
Hindi kaya. Happy Unfair, not anymore. Pantene Triple Sachet. Now with 3 full washes. Kaya happy ka pa din. Lahat beautiful.
I
Comfort
am
full
a children.
even if she's far away.
Okay, so
My wife is a good mom.
every now and then I'm using
From good moms,
this
Mrs.
game this blue flag. Let's just play. And now Sky Wars. Entonces, and of course, need to password. That's it. Okay, get the minus kit. And let's go to this TLDR. Okay, open the so let's play. Let's play here. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, I'm not in this. Oh shit. The snow village that I hated. This is it. 3, 2, 1. Go, okay. Started now. Okay, and it's quite easy doing the boost, whatever that means. And okay, and now there's a secret room here. Okay, there's a chest. Okay, and woods, woods. Okay, and perfect. Okay, so we have awkward planks here in inventory. Okay, oh yeah, got the one my favorite. Okay, and now all of my items here. Now let's kill them all. Epic fail for me. Okay, let's go do this. Let's crouch. I have a tip, so you should crouch if you will place blocks here in Sky Wars, so you cannot fall into the void. Okay, so if you jump there, you'll die. You're out of the game. Let's place block here to go up. Okay. Okay, and there's a chest. Okay, whoa. Food. I need food also. Okay, and someone is killing me. I don't know who is that. Okay, whoa, yeah. Just nice items. And got the iron sword and another chest. Whoa, okay. I got the diamond sword. I got the diamond sword. I am so lucky this day. Not that. Not that. Not that. Not that one. Okay, another diamond sword for me. Okay, I get the full set iron armor. You shall die. Got tied. Okay, I guess just got killed. And well, okay, and I win. I win the Skywars. I win. And I win. Wow, that was a great game for me. And I was so lucky this time. And all times I did not win. And so now I win. Thanks for all your support. And I'll say a few Filipino words. And I will say, mabuhay tayo mga Pilipino. And thanks for my friend Julian for sharing me that Movizen can record this kind of apps. So thanks for all your support.